Malagpot ni May. Sorry, pagkakatang May. Hindi mo lisod man. Ikaw na lang.
Malbaan.
Gamay na. Ano na? Yung sa napit, yun sila napit eh. Yes.
Oh. Okay na na.
Ganun.
Ayun.
Okay. You know, the best way to eat this one is you mix it with your rice. Oh, and then if you eat it as this lang, so you mix it with your rice, or you mash it with your soup. Okay, so you were asking me earlier about telling you a little bit about Cole's Cansi. Okay, so this is what I can say. I think Cole's Cansi is the very, very first restaurant here in Cebu who was able to successfully introduce this Ilonggo delicacy to the Cebuano people. Okay, because I know very well that there are already other restaurants who attempted to introduce this kind of soups to the Cebuanos, but they did not have the same success as Cole's Cansi. So, what is a Cansi? A Cansi is actually, it's an Ilonggo soup that is composed of the kneecap of the beef. Okay, it's always beef. It's never pork. And of course, what makes it really interesting is that most of the Cansi usually comes with the big bones, because the bone marrow, the bone marrow is what gives the Cansi its really distinct and delicious flavor. Another thing is that Cansi, unlike any soup in the Cebuano, which is more of like on the side of having the ginger, it's sort of the balance ng yun, or basic soup flavor. Cansi is more on the sour side. Okay, it's like the sinigang of the Tagalogs, but this is actually beef, no? So it's like a combination of the pochero of the Cebuano and the sinigang of the Tagalog, and then you put it together and then you get Cansi. But the very thing that's making Cansi unique, which I'm saying, you cannot call it Cansi without this certain ingredient, and that is the batuan. Alright? So if you are cooking this soup, but you're not using batuan, then that is not Cansi at all. It's just sour soup. Because the batuan, that's actually a green fruit, mura siya. It looks like a guava or a green tomato, I don't know. Yeah, this one.
There.
This is the batuan. Okay, that is the ingredient that makes the Cansi sour, and it has a distinct flavor that it makes it different from the usual paasim, like the sinigang mix that you have in the market, because the fruit itself has its own distinct flavor, and you have to put that together with the soup and the broth of the beef. That's what makes it Cansi. Another thing, Cansi has no other ingredients. If you will notice later, walay laing sagol. It doesn't have any mixture. It doesn't have, other fruits or vegetables or whatnot. It's just pure beef, broth, and of course the batuan and all the other basic seasoning. That's it. So for all those of you, mga new, the first timers who will experience the soup right now, I hope you will enjoy it. And also, by the way, here in Cole's Cansi, they're not just offering Cansi, but they're also offering Cansi flakes, and they're also offering beef caldereta, and the barbecue ribs, the pork barbecue ribs, and of course, their very special Cansi. So I hope you guys will enjoy this afternoon treat and be one with the Ilonggo's palate. So there you go.